Done, sir.
Okay, now we'll start the work. Now 3x plus 2y equals 40, 2x minus y equals 15. I'm having a bad sore throat, Puta. So, my sound is very low today. Poddak adjust. Can you hear me? Sound is enough, no? Right. Online students, can you hear me? My sound is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
This, if there's anything, speak. Right. Speak, will you, someone? Hello?
Hello.
Again, speak.
Hello.
No, okay. Right. Okay. If there's anything, speak. Now, for the 3x plus 2y equal 40, 2x minus y is equal 15. Now, children, what should I do? I have to make anything, I can make it equal, 2x or 3x, whatever. But here, since this is 2y, I'm going to bring this source of what? 2y. So what can I do? I can multiply this by entire thing by 2. So what I get here is 4x minus 2y equals third kilo I get. This is the third equation. Now what should I do? I have to simplify this. Now I have two equations now. One is 3x plus 2y equal 40. Other one 4x minus 2y equal 30. So what can I do? I can write 4x minus 2y equal 30. I have to write first. And after that I have to write 3x plus 2y equal 40. But now our target is to vanish y. No? If I want to vanish y, I have to add this, so I have to subtract this. I have to subtract. I have to add this, right? Because see, now I want to vanish y. These y's signs are different. Then if I want to vanish this, I have to add this. If I add this, what will happen? Minus 2y and plus 2y get cancelled. 4x and 3x become 7x equal to 70. Then both sides divided by 7. So x is how much? 10. If x is 10, so I can write 3x plus 2y equal 40. So 3x means 3 into 10 plus 2y equal to 40. 3 into 10 is how much? 30 plus 2y equal to 40. So I want to get the value for y. So I can write 2y is equal 40 minus 30. So 2y is equal to 10. So both sides divide by 2. So y is equal to 5 kilo. We get the answer. My answer for this. Correct. Did you get the correct answer? Who got the correct answer? Online students, did you get the correct answer for this?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Good. Lubna? Lubna, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Rahma, we
Sir,
will
but I
start.
got it differently.
You did different. You did. You made x equal both to 12x, and you did.
No, sir.
Then
I
but
got the third and fourth equation and made it.
that's a
I multiplied the 3 by 2 and the 2 by 3. So
Yeah, first equation you multiply by 2, second equation you multiply by 3, like that, right? So you
yes,
brought both to 6 and you did the question.
yes.
Okay, correct. No problem. Now the second one. Okay. Now lots of results released now this time. Out of results, most of the people have got A for maths. No? How do you know? Whose brother? Ara. Yeah. He did early. No? Anyhow. Most of the children have got A's this time for maths. But science, most of the people have gone for B's. And also IT also this time more B's than A's. Single also more B's than A's this time. I don't know. So second one. X squared minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. So what should we do? I have to multiply the first and the last. So I get 6 x squared. So I have to break it. So I can get the middle one. So I can write 3x into 2x. So if I want to get minus 5x, I have to put minus for both. So I can write like this x squared. This minus 5x I can break into 2. Minus 3x and minus 2x plus 6 equal 0 here. So take the common ones out from this. X is common. So you can write x minus 3 here. Here minus, now take the minus. They both are divisible by 2. Then write 2 here. If you write x minus 3 here, this one also should be x minus 3 equal to 0. You can see what is outside. X and minus 2 is outside. So write x minus 2. This x minus 3 is commonly inside both the brackets. So you write x minus 3 equal to 0. Now you can get two answers. One is x minus 2 is equal to 0 or this x minus 3 is equal to 0. Send the minus 2 to the other side. So x equals 2, x equals 3. Correct it. Did you get this answer? Nice. Online people, did you get this answer, Puta?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. And the third one. 4x squared minus 9 is equal to 0. Puta, what type of factor is this? This one is different between two squares. And how to do this different between two squares? No? This one you have to write as a complete square. 2x squared minus 9 and 3 squared. You should write equal to 0. You can write this as 2x plus 3, 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Because difference between two squares now, you write like this, x squared minus y squared. How will you write it? X plus y and x minus y you will write it. Okay, that's how you write this. So now you can write this. When you can write this 2x plus 3 is equal to 0 or this 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. And you can send the plus 3 to the other side. So you get 2x equal minus 3. So both side divide by 2. So you get x equals minus 1.5 here. Here, send the minus 3 to the other side, it become 2x equals 3. So divide both side by 2. So here you get x is equal 1.5. So you are getting two answers for x. One is minus 1.5, other one plus 1.5. Did you get this answer? Right. Online people? Did you get this answer?
Yes, sir. But I did a mistake.
What? That's a mistake.
I wrote it as 2x minus 3 and other one also 2x minus 3.
You wrote two times.
Yeah.
Right. Good. Now understood? Nice. Now, Bhutan, we are doing sets at the moment. We'll come for sets. All right. Under sets, okay, come for sets. Under sets, last week we were describing about the regions, no? All right. Now, Puta, see the fifth question. From a group of 35 children who participated in a game, 19 were boys, 17 were above 15 years. 6 of the girls who participated were age below 15. Represent this information in a Venn diagram. All right, carefully see this. But whenever you are drawing the Venn diagram for this, you can draw a diagram. You have to put two circles. Now you have to name these two circles. One circle should be as what? Girls, is it? One circle should be as girls. And the other circle should be as Boys නෙමෙයි. People above 15 years. They have said two things. No? From a group of 35 children who participated in a game, 19 were boys and 17 were above 15 years. Boys and above 15 years. Sorry. So we'll put one side as boys, one side as above 15 years. Above 15. All right. Now, if I write as A, B, C, D, can you name the regions now? A mean what? Are they boys? No. So you can say A mean what? Not boys. Are they above 15? No. Again, not above 15 also not there. Boys also not there. Then who? A are who? Girls. Come on, tell girls below 15. Girls below 15. When you have to write it. Don't write now. Wait. B is what? Boys. Are they above 15? So here is the boys below 15. C mean? Yeah, boys and above 15. What is D? D are not in boys, then they become girls. Girls, they are above 15 kilo you get. Can you understand how to write this now? Now, what they have given here, children, from a group of how much? 35 children. Therefore, total is 35. Where should you put 35? You have to put this sign, universal set sign, and you have to write 35. It means the total is 35. You have to mark like this. Universal set is 35. Universal set means all the elements in this set. Now, after that, 19 were boys and 17 were above 15 years. 19 were boys now. What are the regions says boys? Out of A, B, C, D, tell me, Tagala. What are the regions says boys? Online people also can speak. Out of A, B, C, D, who are boys now? Speak with the children. B and
B and C.
C. So B and C, if you add together only how much? How many boys are there? 17.
19.
19 boys. So B and C will be 19. And they are telling how many above 15 are there? 17. So you can say C and D together how much? 17. Again, above 15, these two. Using this information, we'll try to fill everything. But you can write like this, no? A plus B plus C plus D. If you add all things together, how much? It should be equal to 35. So A is how much? A, we don't know. A, I don't know. A, I don't know. No. But B plus C, this both together, I know how much kila. A, they have given that. What is that? None of the people got there. Girls. Girls who participated to age below 15. A is girls below 15. How much is that? 6. Kila they have given. So A is 6. So A value I know how much? 6. B plus C is how much? 19. Then I don't know how much is D. So D kila I can write equal to 35. So only unknown term is what? D. So I can find the D value. No? How much will be D? 6 and 19 will be how much? 25. So 6 and 19, these both together 25 and D should be how much? To become 35. To get 35, this both 25 and D should be 10. No? Can understand? Because if you add all things, it should be 35 and these both gives 25. No? D should give 10 no, to be 35. Can understand online people? Can understand? Hello, online. But already I can't speak. But okay, support you. D is how much? 10. So C and D together, I don't know how much. C and D together, how much? C plus D? 17.
17.
Now, I know D is 10. If D is 10, C should be how much? 7, right? Because this 10 and this 7 and only this gives 17. Now, I know C is 7. Then B should be how much? B should be 12, right? Because 12 plus 7 only become 19. So B should be 12. So I have found everything here. Okay, this one 6, this one 12, this one 7, this one 10. So I know girls below 15 are 6, boys below 15 are 12, boys above 15 are 7, girls below above 15 are 10 kilo. I know. What is the another question they have asked? Represent like this. After the second one, how many boys are above 15 years? Boys above 15 are which region? C region. එතකොට First one is this. Second one answer is boys above 15 is C na 7 kilohertz, right? Yeah. Now, Buddha, if you're done, okay, go to the next page. 32, we got 32. There is another question. Hurry. Now, first of all, write this everything neatly. Then please try the next question. Now let's discuss the next question. See this Puta, I'm product sick today, that's why I'm very slow. No, it's fine. From a group of 80 who went on an trip, 50% were wearing hats but were not wearing wristwatches. 40% of the group were wearing wristwatches, out of which 30 were also wearing hats. Okay, now we have to calculate using percentage now. Alright. Now, what are the two things here? Wristwatches and hats. So one thing you can mark as watches, one thing you can mark as hats. Alright. We'll put A, B, C, D. First of all, we'll describe the regions. Okay. So what is A? Watch, watch, no watch, no hat. They are not wearing watch or hat. Okay. You can write watch nor hat. Watch nor hat. Again, they don't wear anything. What is B? Yeah, they wear only watch. C, both. D, only hat. Okay. Again, they don't wear anything. Watch no hat, only watch, both, only hat. Okay. Now, first information they have given, okay, 80% from 80 people who went on a trip, 50% were wearing hats. Okay, now we'll see how many people are wearing hats. Scale, I will see. Hats people from 80, 50%. Then answer is 40. 40 people are wearing hats. And from the 80 people who went this one, what are they till the next one? Were wearing hats but were not wearing these 50% hats but no wristwatches, no? These 40 people, they are wearing hats. Okay. Yes, hats, no watch. Okay, no watch, yes, hat. No watch, yes, hat, take 40. After that, 40% of the group were wearing rich watches. 40% of the group wearing wristwatches. 40% of the group wearing wristwatches now. You can say yes to watch. Yes, watch. 40%. Then 30 people wearing watches. But they have told out of the people who wear watch, 32 people, right? They have told wearing wristwatches, out of which, again, out of these 32, 30 were also wearing hats. Again, this is watch and hat together, how much? Watch plus hat together, 30. Alright. Now we can fill using these regions. That's why if you write like this, Taggala, by seeing this word, you can fill it. See? Watch and hat 30. So where is watch and hat? Both. C. Then when I make this will be 30. Can you understand? Here they say watch and hat together. Watch all the people who are wearing watches, how much? 32. Then who are the people wearing watch here now? B people and the C people. These people also wear watch. These people also wear watch. Then B and C together only how much, children? 32. So I found, okay, this C is 30. C is 30 now. B should be how much? 2 we can find. They said only hats කියලා they say no. Only hats no, this one. Where hats, no watch can only hats no. Only hats how many people? Only hats 40 people. Only hats can make. So you know total amount of tourists no? 80. So I can write the universal set as 80. Now count and see. 2 and 30, 32, 32 and 4, 72. Either 72 now, A should be how much? 8. Why this altogether should be 80. Can you understand? Can you understand how to fill that? And what they have asked? They ask represent this information in a Venn diagram. Second, how many of the group were not wearing either of the above mentioned two items? How many are not wearing any of these items? 8 people. Can you get the answer? Second one. Hurry. Did online students, did you get this answer? Did you get this answer?
I did
Yes,
only
no?
half.
Okay. So did you understand now?
Yeah.
Okay. Try, give a good try to the next one. Seventh one. Online students, did you get the answer?
No, sir.
Still trying?
Sir.
Lubna, what about you?
Still doing so.
First of all, you write ABCD regions and you write the meaning of ABCD. After that, you see the data. And whenever you are inserting data, you put A plus B plus C. Likewise, you put data.
Done, sir.
Finished. Good.
Grow potato. So grow and 18 farmers grow only chili 18. Furthermore, the number of those who do not grow potatoes, they don't even grow potatoes, who do not grow, number of these people also don't grow, and B people also don't know potatoes. But these people only chili also they don't know. D is equals to how much? 24. D is 18, only chili 18. Rest is 6. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 6. 6. A is 6. We know A is 6. Then we know those who do not grow chilies. Who don't grow chili? A don't grow chili. And who else don't grow chili? These people, they grow chili and that. This one. A plus B. A plus B. We know A is 6 means B is how much? 20. 6 means B is 20.
Rahma, are you explaining this question for someone? Right. You thought microphone was muted. Right. Good. Okay. You did the question, right? Rama, are you explaining to yourself again? Had. Okay. Now, they're saying in a certain village, 36 farmers grow potatoes and some are growing chilies. Only potato and chili, no? So, what are the two sides? One is potato, other one is chilies. After that, we have told 36 farmers. First of all, we'll see the regions value. What are these regions? What is it? No potato, no chilies. What is B? Only potato. What is C? Potato, and chilies. Potato and chilies. What is D? Only chilies. D is only chilies. Now A mean no potato, no chilies. B mean only potato. C mean potato and chilies. D mean only chilies. Now 36 farmers grow potatoes and 18 farmers grow only chilies. Now 36 farmers grow, I said, what did they tell? What they told? 18 farmers grow only chili. It means only chili nang C plus D will be how much? Sorry, C plus D anyway, only chili nang D no. Only chili nang D no. D is how much? 9. 18. So D you can fill 18. They told another amount before that. That's the first amount. The farmers grow potatoes. 36 farmers grow potatoes. So potatoes mean what are the regions? B and B and C are potatoes. These both are potatoes. This only how much was the 30? 36. So you can write 36 for B plus C. After that, 18 farmers grow only chilies. Furthermore, the number of those who do not grow potatoes is 24. Do not grow potatoes mean tell me the regions. No potatoes now. A and A and D. How much is that? 24. Putra, you know the D's value, no? D is how much? 18. Either A should be how much? 6. Why 6 plus 18? No, you should get 24 to make a 6 kill. I can feel it. What is right? What is the number of those who do not grow chilies is 26. They don't grow chilies is 26. No chilies now. What are the region? A and A and B. How much is it? 20? 26. So already we know A is how much now? A is 6. Then B should be how much? 20. Why this both only 26? Then B should be 20. Then already we know B and C together it is 36. So C should be 16. Okay. So we have filled everything. Now what are they asking for? How many farmers? How many of the farmers grow? Neither of the two crops. Again, how many of grow? Neither of the two crops. No, they don't grow any of these. Who don't grow any of these? 6. A region. The second one answer is 6. Third one. How many farmers? Both crops. Answer is 16. Finish. Only this much. Then the video. Okay, na? Right. After this, Pata, you try the next one. I thought you guys are trying the next one. Right. Okay. Hurry. The time is enough. Hurry. Now, Buddha will do the last question related to sets, because you get a 10 marks question from this paper too. Right. It's very important. Okay. How could you try? You have done flowers also inside. Okay. A survey conducted in a certain village on 80 randomly selected households revealed the following information. 5 households had neither water supply nor electricity. 30 households had no electricity. Now, the number of houses having only water supply was 7 more than number of that had both water supply and electricity. Now, carefully see this. Now, Buddha, now we will mark like this. Now they are telling about electricity and water. So if I take one side as electricity, other side I can take it as water. One side as electricity, one side as water. No electricity, no water kilo. Electricity and water kilo will take. So ABCD kilo will mark. First of all, we'll write A mean what? Those people only. No electricity. Again, we'll put tick and cross. Have or no care. Okay. For A mean what type of people? Electricity? No. Water also? No. B mean what type of people? B mean they have electricity. Electricity, yes. C mean? C mean what? C mean they have electricity. They have water also there. Both are there. Okay. Electricity, water, both are there. And D mean? Only water. Only water. Okay. Only water, no electricity. Here, only electricity, no water. Hurry. Now we got some informations. Anna will see like that now. First one, they say 80 houses. 5 households had neither water supply nor electricity. Totally how much? 100? No? 100, is it 180? 80. First one, no electricity and no water. I can mark it in name. 5, is it 5? No water, no electricity, 5. Okay. No electricity. 30 households had no electricity. Again, 30 households had no electricity now. Who are the people now not having electricity? Out of this region, no electricity. D don't have electricity. A don't have electricity. So this no electricity people, how much? 30. So you have to add A and D together now to get 30. They are just talking about no electricity people. No electricity now. A and D. We don't care about water. Here we are talking about electricity. So A, you know how much? 5 GL. So D should be how much? 25. So this D I can fill as 25. Can you understand the pattern? Another thing. The number of households having only water supply. Only water supply, now this is like simultaneous equation. Only water supply, now tell me the letter. Only water supply, now D. Only water supply is no. Is what should you put? Equal marks. Alright, we build up simultaneous equation. Okay, is was supply. Only water supply. I said is are was were them both equal. 7 more. 7 more, no? D equal plus 7, no? 7 more, no? You heard about plus 7. 7 more. Then mean what? Then mean plus, no? Then mean plus. Then mean you heard about plus. I said in simultaneous. Then the number that had both water and electricity. Now, who are having both water and electricity in this? C. 7 plus C I can write. Again, can you understand? If make a same like simultaneous equation, we have to build up. D is how much now? D is 25. This one 7. Then C should be how much, Puta? 7 plus how much is 25? 18. Then I found C is how much? 18 kilo. If I know C is 18, I know ABCD altogether is how much? 80. I know ABCD, if you add all together, that is equal to how much? 80. So I know A is 5, B is, I don't know, C 18, D 25. So 25 and 18, how much? 43. 43 and 5, 48. Okay, 48. This with this 5, 48. Right? Then you can write B plus 48 equal 80. So B is equal 80, send the 48 to that side, minus 48. So B is equal to how much? 32 kilo we can get. Okay, so B is equal to 32. Now I have found all these values like a puzzle. This is like a puzzle. So you should understand how to solve it. Okay. Number one, represent this information in a Venn diagram. Good. Okay, tell me the questions for the first one. Represent in a Venn diagram. So under that you can mark all these things. Second one, answer is 18. Third, electricity but not water. B, no? 32. Fourth one, no water. The people not having water. A people don't have water. B people don't have water. Got it? 5 and 32. 32 plus 5. 37 kilo you should read. Only one. Either electricity or either water. What are those? B people and D people. No? B people have electricity only. D people have water only. Then I have to add 32 and 25. 32 and 25. Only one of these. Only one of these. Then 32 and 25 I add how much? 57 kilo I get the answer. Can you understand? Is it clear? Okay. Online students, did you understand this part, children? Is it 100% clear now? Okay. With this question, sets coming to an end. But are you okay with sets, online people? Rahma, Lubna, what do you think? Are you okay now with sets? Yeah, people? You
Yes,
can
sir.
speak. Okay, good. Rahma, are you okay?
Yes, sir.
But I can manage. Okay, good. So be careful. This ABCD system will help you a lot to do these things. Alright. Now this one fully okay. You wrote everything? Alright. Okay. If you're done, I'll write the necessary things. All fine. Alright. We got a small time. And a time again we'll start a new lesson. I have to start parallelogram. I didn't know percentage also, no? Parallelogram and percentage, I didn't do both, no? Alright. And what is there? Parallelogram percentage. Did I discuss? Go to the next section. No, no. Equation. Go to the equation part. In the equation part, did I discuss the question number 8? Go to next page. The last question. Simplify kiyala there is a thing. Can you see? Come to question number page
No, sir.
number 18. Because next week we'll start a new lesson. Okay. Next week we'll start a new lesson, inshallah. Next week we'll start parallelograms. Okay. Now, Tagala, come to page number 18 and give a try for that question. After that, we'll discuss. I will give you around 5 to 6 minutes. Chutti try ekak then, whatever you can.
Excuse me, sir.
Okay. Now see this, Putha. First one is what? 3 plus 6. Tell that. 3 plus 6. 5 minus 6. You have to simplify this. What do you mean by simplifying? Mean you have to multiply these both. If you multiply this both, 3 into 5 is how much? Yeah, 15. 3 into minus 6 is how much? Minus 3x. Plus x into 5 is how much? Plus 5x. Plus x into minus x is how much? Minus x squared. Now, Buddha, these both belong to same family, no? So 15 minus 3x and plus 5x is how much? Plus 2x minus x squared. Achha. There you have to simplify this. Other one, x plus 3 squared. X plus 3 squared mean, the meaning of x plus 3 squared mean, you have to write x plus 3 two times. Like this. That is the meaning of this. Can x plus 3 squared mean, you have to write x plus 3 two times like this. Then you have to write x into x is how much? X squared. X into plus 3 is how much? Plus 3x. Plus 3 into x is how much? Plus 3x. Plus 3 into plus 3 is how much? Plus 9. So you get x squared plus 3x and plus 3x both together plus 6x and plus 9. Correct it. Next one. Now they have given a figure. No, they have given a figure. So this is how you will get a quadratic equation question in the exam. Right. Now they have given a figure like this. They have given a square. In this square, they have given another square like this. They have given from here square or rectangle. This is x scale they have given. And from here to here too. From here to here, how much? Here 3. Here? Here 2. So, okay. They are given like this. They haven't given anything else, no? H x 3, 2. Okay. And what they have told you? And have they given this as a square? Figure shows a square, no? No, figure shows a square. They have given. Figure shows a square. Square mean this is x, now this also should be x. Now this is a rectangle. So from here to here, 2, now what is the length from here to here? X minus 2. Why? From here to here, x. From here to here, 2. Now this length should be from x square minus this 2. Now what is this length? X minus 3. Why? From here to here, x, now here to here, 3. Now this should be x minus 3. Now, Buddha, they have, what they have told? What is the connection now? They have told like this. There is a connection, Kela. Okay, what is that? Figure shows a square with length of side x, a rectangular shaped portion with the length 3 centimeter. No, it is okay. Is removed from the square. Express the area of the rectangle in terms of ax squared bx plus c. Okay, they asked to express this rectangle's area. You know how to express the rectangle's area. Now this is the rectangle. Now this is the rectangle. So how to write the area of the rectangle? What is the formula? Area equal length into breadth. What is the length? X minus 2 is the length. Into breadth is x minus 3 is the breadth. Again, now we have to multiply this. X into x what? X squared. X into minus 3? Minus 3x. Minus 2 into x? Minus 2x. Minus 2 into minus 3 plus 6. So now area equal, we have to simplify this, x squared. Minus 3x and minus 2x, how much, Putha? Minus 5x plus 6k. You get the areas expression in terms of this. You have to write there. Can understand easy, no? And if x equals 5 centimeter, show that a rectangle which is equal to the area of the shaded portion and two squares can be cut out from the large square. Draw a sketch with relevant measurements to show it. Again, if x is 5 centimeter means they are telling show that a rectangle which is equal to the area of the shaded portion and two squares can be cut from the large square. Okay, they have said. Now, but if this one is 5 centimeter, so they have given x is 5 centimeter. X is 5 centimeter mean, if x is 5 centimeter mean, you can see area of the square. Area of the square mean what? If x is 5 centimeter, mean area of the square is x into x, no? X into x is x squared, no? X squared mean it is 5 squared, no? Okay, one side is 5, now area is 5 squared, no? 5 squared mean how much? It is 25. Okay. Now we'll say area of the rectangle. Area of the rectangle. Area of the rectangle will be x minus 3, x minus 2, no? X minus 3, x minus 2. No, x is 5, no? So 5 minus 3, 5 minus 2. 5 minus 3 is how much? 2. 5 minus 2 is how much? 3. Okay. Then 2 into 3 is how much? 6. 2 into 3 is 6. Multiplies. 6, this is 25 centimeters squared. This one 6 centimeters squared. Have they given 5 centimeters? Or just 5? Just 5. No? Have they given 5 centimeters squared? 5 centimeters. This one becomes 6 centimeters squared. If they cut another area, another rectangle, two rectangles area how much? Two rectangles area equal 6 into 2, 12 centimeters square, because they said they are going to cut another rectangle like this. And what is the remaining portion? Remaining area is equal from 25 minus 12, right? Which is 13. Okay. Now you have to put measurements now. Yeah. Now we'll draw this with measurements. X minus 2 now how much now? 3 ne? X minus 3 now? 2. Now we'll try to draw the proper measurements. Now you know from here to here 5, here to here 5. Now this is here 2, here 3. These 3, this is 2. Again, this one is 2. Ne? From here, I can take up to here 3. And I can do something like this. Then 2, 3 kila, I can cut 2 squares, the same area. Now I have to cut 2 more squares. No? Then from here to here 3. No? Then here to here also will be 3. They ask 2 rectangles and how many squares? 2 squares. No? 2 squares. No? We have to cut how many squares? 2 squares. No? Carefully see this. If you have to cut this rectangle like this rectangle measurement is from here to here 3, from here to here 3. They have checked just your general knowledge here, just to draw this. Now this is already one area, this is the other area. Now put up from here to here how much? 2. Ne? From here to here how much? 2. Ne? Then if you cut this one, this will be what? This will be a square. So I'll mark in red pen squares. This gonna be what? This gonna be a square here. This is a square. Am I correct? And see the other one. This from here to here how much? 3. No? From here to here 3. No? Is that this one also gonna be what? This one also gonna be a square. You have 2 squares and 2 rectangles is a complete figure. Can you understand how to draw it? Now beautifully mark this like this. Again, you draw another picture and mark properly. Then only you will get the answer. But can you all understand this? Clear? Okay. All right. Right. Now with this, we'll wind up the session. Right. Okay. Good. Nice.
Actually, sorry, I just thought. Sorry. It's been planned for a while. Maybe next time. Sure, no worries. Sorry. Yeah, sorry about that. She just apologized for existing. Sorry for being on the team. Yeah, you've seen your analyst. පොඩ්ඩක් පනතේ ප්‍රතිපාදන මත රියදුරන් ආරක්ෂිත බඳපටි පැනදීම ගැන නිවේදනයක් මගින් අනිවාර්ය කර තිබෙනවා. සාමීලවාදී මාර්ගශාස්ත්‍රී බැක්කමතියක් අන්තිම අත්පටිය බලාපොරොත්තු වෙන වෙලී රකෝස් පැනදීදී ආත්පටි පැනදීම අනිවාර්ය කරන්න අන්තිම වාස්තුවේ දක්වන ගානේ නම් වාහන රියදුරන් ආත්තිය මගින් ආත්පටි පැනදීම කරනවා. සම්පූර්ණ වාස්තුවේ දක්වන වෙන වාහන රියදුරන් සහ ඉදිරිපත් ආත්මී ගමන් ගන්නා මතියා ආත්පටි පැනදීම අනිවාර්යයි. මෙන්න ඉදිරිය ක්‍රියාත්මක කිරීමට වාස්තුවේ සහන කාර්යයක් ලබා දීමට එය කීදී අත්පනා. ඒ අත්ම අන්තිම විදිය අනිවාර්ය ක්‍රියාත්මක කරන බව වාස්තු ආරක්ෂාව පිළිබඳ ජාතික සමාගම කරා. වාස්තු විද්‍යාවේ අධ්‍යයනයේ වාගේ විද්‍යාව සහ පිටපත රත්වාස්තර රියදුරන් සහ වගේ ඒ ඉන්දියානු අනුභවයේ පරීක්ෂා කිරීම අත්‍යවශ්‍ය වෙනවා.